Oh, so I just dropped my daughter off at the airport, and my brand new grandson, who's only 4 months old, and it's the first time that I've seen him. And they came home for Christmas holidays and were able to spend a few weeks here. And because I'm working for myself, I was able to, thank goodness, take that time off and away from work to be able to enjoy the visit fully. And it's bittersweet because obviously they live across the pond, and so we don't get to see each other that often. And of course, I'm going to miss some of the things that a grandparent would get to enjoy if they were living close to their grandchild. But we raise our kids to become independent and go out into the world, and certainly my children have gone out and done a lot of traveling and had various opportunities outside of Canada, and I'm really proud of them for having the courage to take the risk to do these kinds of things. And one of the fantastic things about being self-employed is that I can pick up at any time, take my business and my laptop across the ocean and spend some time with my daughter. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. In a month from now, I'm heading out to Ireland to spend about a month and a half there looking after my grandson and enjoying some time with my daughter and her husband. And I wouldn't be able to do that in a traditional job. So what I'd like to say is that if you're also looking for this kind of time freedom, where you don't have to beg your boss to give you extra time off of work, and where you can just pick up and go, either on vacation or even on a working vacation anywhere in the world, as long as you've got the internet, you can do this business. And so I'm upset today, obviously, because I've dropped them off, but I'm really looking forward to seeing Ireland for the first time in a few weeks from now, and for the freedom that this opportunity provides me, both time-wise and financially. And if you'd like to have the same for yourself, just click on the button below that says get registered now. It's only $25. Look, try it out for a month, and with the training that we provide, if you plug into that with our team, we've got incredible training and support 24/7 online. And as long as you're plugging into that and following the 8 core commitments that are involved in Power Network, then you can be successful with this too. So again, $25 is certainly not a barrier for anybody. So I encourage you to just click on the link below. You'll be taken to a video that tells you all about our team and what our team benefits are. And you'll also get a look at the opportunity and the compensation plan. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Welcome to Empower Network, and we'll talk to you soon.